What's up guys, Alani's here from Design VR and we did it once again. This house, 3,800 square foot, about an acre lot. We made it into a secluded area within Pompano Beach. We're about 6-minute drive to the beach. We have a gated area right there. We added so many amenities, 8 bedrooms, 4 baths. And the great thing is everything is in-house. Our company did it all. We found a house, we made all the renovation, we have a design team, an amazing design team that furnished the whole place. We made all the electronics, the movie theater, and of course the cleaning. So let's come into the house to a full tour. All right, so the house has 3 bedrooms on the first floor on the left side, and we're gonna have another bedroom and full bathroom that is a cabana bathroom on the right side, and in between the movie theater. On the left side we're gonna have another full bathroom, and let's see all the bedrooms and bathrooms. This bedroom right here is a bedroom that we added. So initially the house was 5 bedrooms and we added 3 more. Therefore the extra AC, as you can see, the nice recessed lights and the fan in the middle. The second bedroom right here, it's gonna have a Jack and Jill in between. We added 2 beds here. One of the things we always need to look at when we're looking from investment point of view is that if the room is large enough and we can add 2 bedrooms and it's still very comfortable, we should do it. Now we're gonna go into the newly renovated full bathroom, and from that we're gonna cross back to the first room. We're gonna go now to the rest of the house. Our goal when we first came to the house was how to make this renovation the most updated possible. Very pleasing, very relaxing. We changed completely the kitchen, new flooring, and we added recessed lights throughout the house. And we're gonna go now to the other side and see the rest of the house. Right here we did a new cabana bathroom. And in between, we converted one of the garage into a full 200-inch new screen cinema. Another bedroom that we added to the house is right here in the corner. So this room is very long. We added 2 beds, and you always need the resort style towels. We're gonna go now to the second floor where we have 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. Let's check it out. So this is right here, the top guest bathroom. We're trying, if we can, in each floor to have an employee-only access closet so we can keep all the toilet paper, towels, cleaning supply. So if we can do it on both floors, that's a great plus. Right here, we converted the master bedroom closet into another bedroom. And it has a full window, so that's an amazing plus. And now we're gonna go into the fabulous large master bedroom, 2 king-size beds, and the most amazing master bathroom. We try to do it like a spa style, so it gives you a really nice cozy feeling when you're sitting inside. You're enjoying a nice bath, you can enjoy a hot steam shower. Let's go now and check all the goodies on the outside, and boy, we have plenty. We're gonna have the pool right here in the middle, and then on the left we're gonna have a kids playground, a mini golf, a nice fire pit to make those delicious marshmallows, a gazebo to sit while the kids are playing, and of course if you want to just get a sun bath, get some tanning, plenty of chairs for that. On the right side we're gonna have some room for all the bars and drinks that we want to have. Behind that we're gonna have some room for the equipment, barbecue area, and now this is exciting. Now we're gonna go into the half court, volleyball court, soccer, everything let's do it. The half court we made with our own logo. This is very friendly, so it's rubber material. We wanted to put all the outdoor activities for sports in one location. So we have the basketball, the volleyball, the soccer field, and of course, again, a sitting area so parents can look at their kids or just rest. Chessboard right after that. Another very exciting thing is the playroom. We cannot do it without it. We have foosball, pool table, poker table, hockey table. You can of course still enjoy TV, whether we want some music videos, movies, whichever you like. Thank you guys for joining me for another full house tour. The house took us about 4 months start to finish. We are again A to Z company, Design VR. We found the house. We have our own architect teams, design team, contractors, assembly team, cleaning crew. I'm Alon, Design VR. Until next time.